Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a new segment, Cooking with Nikki. Today we are making cookies. Cookies are delicious, of course. I have all the ingredients here. And the measurements. So I am making chocolate chip with walnut cookies for my dad, because my dad's worked hard enough and I think he deserves some cookies, because he loves them and he loves me. So, and my dad is at work. He works 2 jobs. My mom works 2 jobs. I work 1 job. We work very hard. We all love each other. And I want to give some to my neighbor too. He works very hard. He works midnights and he works at a mental hospital. My dad farms. My neighbor's like another dad to me. So it's hard to explain, so I'll explain that later in a future video. But if you want to make these and that stuff, you can, I'll link the thing down below, but all I'm doing is adding walnuts. If you guys don't want walnuts, these are just normal chocolate chip cookies, and this is how I go by them. So half a cup of melted butter, unsalted melted butter. So I'm gonna roll my hands. Don't you do this at home. I just came this on the spot, so I'm like, I don't even know that was right. Come back here. Ooh, it's sticky. Yep, perfect. It's 1 stick of butter. 1 full stick of butter. So, if you want to make these, people that will actually watch my channel, leave the butter out overnight so you know that you're going to make cookies the next day, because you just put the butter in there and it's all soft and fluffy. 1/3 cup of sugar. Okay, my handy dandy thing. 1/3, haha, found it. See, these are a lot easier. I would get these if you have these at home, people. Oh, well. Okay, you're annoying. If you guys have like just these are a little easier than just pouring in an actual measuring cup, because it takes a while to measure and all that stuff. So I might have just enough sugar for this. So this might be, and one-third cup of sugar. That was like a perfect. Okay. I need 1/2 cup. A half cup of brown sugar. It doesn't matter what brand. I'm just gonna go over this because I'm very clumsy and I don't want to ruin my kitchen table already. Okay, that's half. Always make sure you wash your hands. I already washed my hands, so I'm good. Okay, 1 large egg. Hope these are not the boil. Yep, these are not the boil. Perfect. Okay, 1 teaspoon teaspoon, right? Teaspoon. Vanilla extract. Blah, blah, blah. Haha, you're right here. Vanilla, it can be McCormick, it can be anything if you're gluten free. These are gluten free. And they smell delicious. Oh, this is whoopsies. 1 teaspoon. Here, 1 teaspoon. Always go a little over because who doesn't want the smell of vanilla in their cookies? Okay, a 1/2 teaspoon. Now we gotta find the half here. A 1/2 teaspoon of the baking soda. That's super easy. You just have to go in here. And when you always scoop up, go against the box and you come out like it's perfect. Like not too much where it's a pile and that stuff. So, and then I need a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Well, really doesn't specify of what kind of salt we need, so I'm just gonna do the same thing. Of course. Here. Next time, I'm going to just... This is the way you do it. You just pour it in. Don't do what I just did. Because it makes a mess and then it's all over you. Then this is the point where actually... Actually, you can do this with these. I'm just now learning how to do this. Oh, another fact, never wait till the last minute to heat your oven up. So let's do that now. Here, I'll show you. Our oven is so different, so I'm just gonna hit the bake button. Bake. 350, of course, and we want 375. So, and start, and then it will start preheating. And now, back to the segment. Okay, so it is a cup and a half of all pure flour. So I got my flour here. So I'm gonna go a cup. And that method I just showed you, that would be a good method to use right now. Here's a cup. And then I would switch over to the half. And same method, just go up and flatten it out. And there. And it says here to use a 1/2 cup of the chocolate. Well, technically that's how much is in a bag. So, just gonna pop that in. I have only minis and I'm not going to the store. And then I'm gonna pop open the bag of walnuts too. Oh, here. Oh, there we go. I'm gonna pop those walnuts in. Pop a bag of walnuts in. There we go. And now let's head to the mixer. Let me show you my mixer. Chocolate chips are flying everywhere. Now, I'm not gonna, just gonna put it down, lock it, See, it's locked. If you have a KitchenAid, always ask for a parent for help. And you just watch the magic go. So this might take a while, so we'll clip back when it's done. And now it will look like this. So, got the lock. And that's what it will look like, see? And sometimes, if you did it the way I did, I had to put another stick of butter in there. And likewise, just to get this still look good. So, now you have cookie dough. Sorry, I'm in. Okay, well, now, since we got the cookies done, and the oven is set for 375 over there, now we're going to set the cookies on a cookie sheet. Well, for you guys, for my pan, I don't need to put Pam, but I would recommend, because this is a certain pan with a certain thing that I got for Christmas a couple of years ago from my parents. Or I got from my parents. I don't know. I really don't know what got which, because I can't remember. Shoot. So, I've already washed my hands again for the 4th time while eating the cookie dough. Small balls, of course, like this. So I'm gonna roll it up, and then I'm gonna see how this is how it should be. It's that big. I'm gonna push it down, and I'll show you after I get them all on here, and I want to separate them apart from, I don't know, probably 3-4 inches, and I'm gonna do 3 in a row because I want these good and that stuff. But okay, and be 3 by 3, 3 rows, and 3 across and 3 down. Of course, this butter feels so soft. Really feel the butter in this Credo. This looks so good, and my dad would love it. I know my neighbor, I don't know if he likes chocolate chip with walnuts or what's going on. I really don't know. I think he'll like them though. Give him some, since I made cookies in the past, like 2 Saturdays ago. Not last Saturday, the other Saturday. I made chocolate chip multi-chocolate chip cookies. It had white chocolate, milk chocolate, and dark chocolate in it. So, okay. Now, let me wash my hands real quick, and then I'll grab my camera and show you guys what. And I would bake them for probably like 12 to 13 minutes. But that's what they should look like. Let's get it. 3 a row, 3 down, so there'd be 3, 6, 9. 9 cookies, all they gotta get you're making in this batch. So, I'm gonna take this to my oven. And I'm gonna open the oven. You're wondering, how the heck am I doing this? Okay, so I have 3 racks. I'm going to put this in the middle, so they're light and crisp. And I'm going to put it set my timer. I'm going to set it for 12 minutes. And then I'll show you the effect of what it looks like after that.
6.5 hours later.
Okay, I just took the cookies, the first batch. Not really. I burnt the last batch because I was having problems heating it up. It was just not. So I would use like a certain. Don't use like Blue Bunny or something. Let me see. Blue Bonnet. I would not use that kind of butter because that butter kind of made it really soft and kind of gooey, but they look delicious. There they are. I've already been munching on one. So, and they're like super good. And I have the next batch in the oven now. So that's the segment, the first segment. And that was the first segment of Cooking with Nikki. Thank you for checking. And I can't do this today. Thank you for joining me today. It was great to have you guys watch this video. If you want to see more, comment down below. Smash that subscribe button. If that subscribe button's red, that means you're not subscribing. Join the hottest. Why do I want to give that? Join my family and me. Mainly, join our family. Our 200, only 200 subscribers. But join the family. Hit that bell icon so you get notified for more updates. And when you're notified that this vlog will come, this Cooking with Nikki come out. And I'll see you in the next. Bye-bye.